Hi there, Mr. Bowtie here. Let's talk about building a Nearpod using Google Slides. How can you add audio directions or an audio recording to a slide? Here we go. So I opened up a Google slideshow that a teacher has used, and she wants to add audio, like the directions for the students. So here I'm going to open up the add-ons, come down to Nearpod, open Nearpod, and I'm going to come over and click on Convert to Drawlet. Let Nearpod go ahead and work its magic. You will notice that there will be a new slide number 3 that will pop up, and it will say draw it. It'll be a Nearpod little icon. All right, now we have our slide, new slide number 3, that says draw it on it. Next thing you will notice is that there is an edit this slide tool. So I'm going to click on edit this slide. All right, and then I want to have in the top left-hand corner, there's going to be add media and audio, add an image right here. Perfect. When I click that button, now it's going to give me some options. Yeah, I can add like an audio file, but I just want to use the audio recorder built into Nearpod. So click on audio recorder, and now I can click the microphone. And sometimes it might ask you to allow your microphone. Just click allow. But here I can go through and record my instructions. When I'm done, I can hit the pause button. And of course, you can type in your instructions above. If you need to, you can trim the front or the end of your audio recording. If you don't like it, you can press the delete button. If you want to check it out, press the play button. When you're all good to go, press the save button up here to save your audio recording. Notice it says uploading. Give that just a minute. And of course, that time will depend on how long your video or your audio recording is. When you're done, don't forget to click the save button again below the save for that slide. Next, going to create your slide, and you'll see a little audio icon appear right here, the top left-hand corner of that Draw It slide. You'll see a little audio recording right there. Gets kind of covered up, but you'll see little wavy lines popping up and down. That's it. One thing to note is you'll see on this slide that I've added a little check this box to the right if you're ready to move on. Why? Because back in Nearpod, if you click on your account and go down to lesson settings, you're going to see that it will bring you to this page here and scroll all the way down. If you've turned on the require student response, and prevent them from skipping in a self-paced, right, that student mode, and this is turned on, you'll notice that a draw it slide will have to have some kind of response. So what that means is just train your students, get the procedure that, hey, when there's a draw it slide and there's a recording, don't forget to put a little check mark or something on that slide instead of having the kids scribble on it or something. Just make a little check mark before you move on. There you go. Thanks so much. Good luck.